Samsung also announced something new. How about a 98-inch QLED TV, but for a mid-range price? Are we ready for even bigger TVs like 70 and 86, 88? Not big enough, Will. Go 98. Put a 98 right here, what I look at.
Yeah. I think that's...
right up to your chin.
How much is it then?
Well, what do you think is a mid-range price if you're talking about something that big? Yeah, I want you to throw out your Samsung. That's right.
I would say $7,000 to $8,000, like $1,000.
Interesting choice.
Yeah.
This TV is aimed at competing with the upcoming Sony X90L full array LED LCD TV, also coming in a 98-inch size. There's also already TCL at that scale.
Are you
QM8?
Are you upset with the fact that it's not 100-inch? Why can't they go 100-inch? Why 98?
It's interesting.
Just go all the way.
My understanding is that when it comes to manufacturing these things at scale and with quality control, that like every inch matters. But I agree with you. We're so close.
Yeah. Mine as well, right?
Go to 100.
Oh, it also can't be hung on the wall?
Why not?
It has like a stand.
Yeah, you can remove it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, okay.
Get to scrolling, Will. There we go. $6,000. Wow.
Oh, okay.
No, $6,000 is for the TCL. The Samsung's going to be $10,000.
Oh, all right.
So you were not super far off on your guess.
Yeah.
But you got to understand the 98-inch TVs used to be like $30,000.
Yeah.
So it's a huge decrease. Is it enough to get people excited? There's a previous model that was $40,000. The QN100B Neo QLED TV.
This one here. Jeez, that thing is enormous.
Yeah, well, I mean, you've seen 70, you've seen 88. You can imagine 98.
I guess it'd be really heavy, eh?
Yeah. In terms of features, the Q80C will have QLED TV, full array, local dimming, VA panel, step down in brightness compared to mini LED, obviously. It's not going to be the highest end spec.
But good enough.
Yeah, I think it'll be good enough for most people. The TCL that's already out has already dropped in price since its launch. When the TCL launched a 98-inch, it was $84.99, and now it's down to $6,000. So,
I mean, yeah, they're getting cheaper. If you want like a movie theater experience,
it's coming down. I think it's going to come down even further, though. I'll just put that out there.
Okay.
I mean, it's not like some revelation. It always does. It always becomes more affordable. And these TV dudes are running out of ways to sell you stuff. They're like, new technology, OLED. I go tell people, I'm like, OLED, it looks great. And, mini LED or whatever. But I think that the scale thing is something that's so easy to understand.
Yes,
it's
and price.
So it's like, oh, you want to watch the Super Bowl? There's a big one. I'll take the big one.
Yeah.
And
all this technology, it's like, don't worry about it. Just give me the size. It's just hard to articulate it or to really, really present it in such a way that's applicable to everyone, that everyone would get. That's been the difficulty. But for the record, there is merit to, like, these other TV technologies are superior. Yes.
Put that in there.